Sit up straight, nurses. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Okay, are you ready to answer, nurses? Yes! Okay, good. So, magtatanong ko lahat ba ay sasagot? Yes! Ibubuka ba ang bibig, nurses? Yes! Kunwari ba pa din yung nurses? Yes! Para kitang-kita ba ang tsura, nurses? Yes! I-upload ba yan sa YouTube, nurses? Yes! Saan ba yan, nurses? So, let's talk about this one. Again, nurses, what is the fundamental unit of your nervous system? Neurons! Alam mas maraming neurons o neuroglia? Neuroglia! Ano sinabi? What particular neuroglia that maintains the integrity of your blood-brain barrier? Exercise! Ano po ang sa blood-brain barrier natin ang pag-muscular substance? AAA? Ammonia! BBB? Berry! KKK? Carrots! KKK? Neurons! Okay, kayo na tumataas yung ammonia. Kailan tumataas yung bilirubin? How about your ketones? Very good, nurses. What are your phagocytes in your central nervous system? Hindi sagot, nakakaya. Ulitin namin. Ano ang ating phagocytes sa ating nervous system? Ilan division sa ating nervous system? Is this your central? Yes! Together with your peripheral? Yes! Tapos natin brain central peripheral? Oligodendrocyte central peripheral? Tapos sinabi oligodendrocyte or swansel central peripheral? Again, nasa sabihin sa akin kung anong loob ng ating utak. Okay, tingnan natin ngayon. Ano nga yun? Ano nga yun? I'm in pain. Ano hindi ko marinig? Hindi ko mapagsalita. Ano hindi ko mag-balance? Focus area. Balance area. Ano nga yun? Pero sabihin sa akin kung anong cranial nerve. Handa na? Visual acuity. Hearing acuity. Tapos sinabi God reflex. Tapos sinabi pupillar reflex. Corneal reflex. Tapos sinabi PS muscle during the sexual intercourse. Tapos sinabi hypoglossal. Tapos sinabi anterior two-third of the tongue. Tapos posterior one-third. Again, naman sabihin sa akin, Sinta Otara, adrenergic. Magkako sila, Panginoon. Cholinergic. Cholinergic. Anticholinergic. Atropine, Panginoon. Epinephrine. Epinephrine. Nurses, kapag tinanong kayo, what is the first or the earliest sign of increased ICP? Nurses are giving basis to your patient. Hypokalinya. Hyporkalinya. In the presence of urine. Is this a diuretic? Potassium spare, potassium wasting. So therefore, will you provide potassium-rich foods? Bababa? Kakaka? Are you sure, nurses? What is the adverse effect of your Lasix? Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, amyotrophic sclerosis, MS, together with your Guillain-Barré syndrome. Attach your peripheral nervous system. Attach your central nervous system. Again, nasa tiklusay ka sa delcolin. Kapag tumama yung dopamine. Kapag sinabi natin, atrophy of the brain. Kapag naman sinabi, it's too late. Fasciculation, it's too late. Okay, pag sinabi, intentional tremors. Bursting tremors. Intentional tremors. Bursting tremors. Intentional tremors. Intentional tremors. Panginoon, nagkakamonitor ako. Panginoon, saan ka kayo dyan? Okay, nurses, pag-usapan natin ay yung seizure. Nurses, ba mo lang general at saka partial? Yes! Ayun, nurses, pagka sinabi general, ito ba yung entire brain? Yes! Pagka sinabi local lang general, partial? Yes! Oh, yes. Okay, nurses, so nurses, how do you give your Dilantin? What's the normal level of your Dilantin? 10 intravenous po ba, nurses? Yes! 6 to 8 minutes, nurses? Yes! Intravenous, nurses? Yes! And what's the antidote? Wala antidote. What's the side effect? Side effect? you sure, nurses? Yes! Again, nurses, did you learn something from today's discussion? Yes! Totoo, natuto kayo? Yes! Natuto ba kayo kahit mainit? Yes! Ito ba yung actual board exam pinapa-express namin sa inyo, nurses? Yes! Again, nurses, mahal niyo na ba ang headshot? Yes! Ba't parang di na? Okay, nurses. Ano nga ang pangalan ko, nurses?
Mr. Martin!
Kilala ko lang ba ako? Okay, kilala na ako. Okay, nurses. Okay, I did enjoy my discussion today. So, see you tomorrow, 8 o'clock ulit. Our topic, sige, i-close na yan, Panginoon. Okay, so,